So this is exactly how I was able to fix my Segway Mobility app not working. So firstly, I had to close the Segway Mobility app here and go to the settings app on my phone instead. And then you need to look for the Bluetooth here and make sure that Bluetooth here is turned on. If it's not gonna work, as you can see, because when you turn on Bluetooth, you will then be able to also connect to your scooter here, otherwise it will not work. So once you have turned on Bluetooth, what you also need to do is to just go back to this page here on settings, scroll all the way down and click on apps right here, and click on search apps and search for the Segway Mobility app and click on it here. And you can see in here you need to also turn on Bluetooth if you haven't already, and also make sure that the wireless data is set to VLAN and mobile data here. That is also very important. So once it's done, just go back to the app here and you should be able to now connect your scooter to it without any problems. You can see here's my 9-bot electrical scooter here, and I was able to connect it here without any problems after doing that. So hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.